Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Oh yeah, at ClearWater. Get out of that grass. Oh yeah. Still got him. He up there. Oh my goodness. Even at the grass. Even in the grass. Still got him. Y'all look at this. Alright guys, out here fishing ClearWater using the jerk bait on top of all this grass. Man, this is horrible. But guess what? Still catching fish in spite of the grass. Let's go. Alright, let's get you cleaned off. Let's get you back out there on your way. You back out there. All right, I'm gonna get you out. I'm gonna get you off. I'm gonna get you out and get you back out there. Okay, hold on. Just hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me. Well, these hooks are sticky, boy. All right, let's go. Thanks, buddy. Good luck getting back through all that grass. Let's see. All right, guys, got one on the jerk bait once again. Jerk bait. Look at that, guys. Oh, nice one. Oh wow. Oh wow. Got him on the jerk bait. Oh, be still, buddy. Be still. I won't get this hook in my hand. Jerk bait. That jerk bait once again, y'all. Ha ha. Yeah, man. I know, right? I saw him out here playing on top of the water. I threw the jerk bait, man. He grabbed it. Nice one, guys. Look at it. I know, right? I couldn't leave, man. I couldn't leave. Look at that, guys. Got him on the jerk bait. Look at that. Nice one. Call me fire ant. Look at that, guys. Got him on the jerk bait, guys. Nice one. Look at that. Let's whoa now, don't be doing that. All right, guys, out here fishing that ClearWater. Because of all this grass, I'm still using the jerk bait, but guess what, guys? Still managing to get on them. This is crazy. I mean, this grass is like 4 feet long and still getting on them, guys. So let's get them off, get them back in the water. See if we can get them off, get them back in the water. Okay, guys, got them off. Let's get them back. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate that. Nice size bass. Good gracious. Boy, I try to tell you, that jerkbait working in all this stuff right here. Oh, wow. Get out of here. Oh, oh wow. Hey guys, this is the game plan this morning. Out here fishing at ECU this morning using the crank, not the crankbait, the chatterbait, and got on my first one this morning, guys. Nice one too. Let's get them back in the water. Hey guys, out here fishing at ECU this morning, throwing the chatterbait around a little bit. Got the first one from the bank, guys. Woohoo! Y'all gotta forgive me, I'm just getting over something, but hey, good catch. Let's get them back in the water. All right, guys, pretty nice bass. Got him right over the drain pipe, guys. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I really appreciate it this morning. Needed the confidence. Thank you so much.